prize distribution ceremony, I would like to invite the distinguished dignitaries on stage.
Firstly, we would like to call upon Best Outgoing Sportsman of the Year, Mr. Syed Baqi of Final Year Civil Engineering on stage.
I request everyone to stand for the same.
A very warm welcome to each and every one of you to our SRGC 26th Annual Day Celebrations Prize Distribution Ceremony. As a convener of this grand event, I stand here humbled by the opportunity to address such a distinguished gathering our Annual Day celebrations. Throughout this year, we have strived for excellency in our endeavor, be it academics, sports, literary and cultural, or community service. Today we have gathered to honor those achievements and to acknowledge the pursuit of excellency. In this regard, we have organized various events in literary and cultural and sports from the month of March. We have conducted cultural and events, 12 events, 350 participants. In sports, 70 events are organized, 1400 participants are participated in these events. On this occasion, we will distribute prizes to all the winners of various events in literary and cultural sports. Congratulations to all the winners and my sincere appreciation to Sir M. Sivashankar Garu and team and to all the coordinators of literary and cultural for conducting various events successfully. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the success of these events. Once again, welcome to our Annual Day celebration. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable information.
Now I kindly request Dr. J. Rangababu, faculty in charge of cultural work, to present the annual report of cultural work.
Annual Day celebrations. As a part of that, we are conducting a sports and cultural prize distribution ceremony. Actually, SRGC always inculcate and encourage the innate talent of every individual, either faculty or the students, in which 9 students are actively participated. In the month of September, we conducted Western and folk dance competitions where 31 students are participated. While in the month of October, under the name of Dasara celebrations, we conducted 10 different activities where more than 100 students are participated. At the end of October, we conducted a hackathon program at the institution level where 17 students performed their talents. In the month of November, on 3rd, we conducted programs on Western dance and folk dances where there is about 10 students are participated. However, in the end of the in the month of November, NAC team visited where our students performed their excellence. About 17 students performed in various activities like mime, mimicry, mono actions, state heritage and culture, classical dances, Western dances, folk dances and so on. Even in the month of January, we conducted an activity for the Rangoli as Sankranti Sambaralu. However, in the month of March, we conducted annual day celebrations in which 12 different activities are conducted by both the students as well as the faculty. Faculty and the class 4 employees also actually participated there. More than 300 students are participated in the literary and cultural activities. Why? 17 faculty are participated in the faculty level activities, and in class 4 activities 13 faculty are participated. However, in the next academic year we would like to excel in the cultural activities. Thank you all.
Kindly request Mr. M. Shivashankar, Assistant Director of Physical Education, to give annual report of sports and games.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, my dear student friends. Very good morning to all. On behalf of Department of Physical Education, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the prize winners and runners. The best outgoing student is Syed Sushma and Syed Bazi received gold medals. And I also congratulate the inter-collegiate winners and runners and all university groups on the occasion of the 26th annual day celebrations. Despite of the challenges posed by the pandemic this year, JETK has conducted inter-collegiate competition and selection across the various colleges in the full-fledged manner. 23 members from our college were selected to represent JETK University. The selected teams participated in inter-university competition at the South Zone and All India Inter-University tournaments. Coming to the JETK inter-collegiate tournaments, our college achieved winners position in volleyball held at C.R. Reddy College, Yeluru, Kabaddi at Rice College, Ongolu, ball badminton SSIT Nuzividu, and table tennis SCEC Tadepalli. Additionally, our college secured runner-up position in Kho at NEC Nasarapeta. In the men's category, our college energetic victories in Kho, NEC Nasarapeta, and secured runners position. Softball LBRC, ball badminton SSIT Nuzividu, table tennis SCEC Tadepalli, and netball CR Reddy College. These achievements reflect the dedication and talent of our college teams. Turning to the athletes, our women athletes shone brightly with medals and also received overall championship trophy in JETK inter-collegiate tournament. Miss E. Grace Vija of 3rd CSC received gold medal in 800 meters running. Miss K. Anita of 3rd IOT achieved gold medal in javelin throw. Again, Miss K. Anita, 3rd year of IOT, achieved gold medal in discus throw. Miss K. Pushta of 3rd year ECE achieved gold medal in shot put. Miss K. Nikita, 2nd year IT, achieved gold medal in 10K running race. Miss K. Nikita again, 3rd year IT, achieved silver medal in 1500 meters running race. Miss K. Mohammed of 4th CSE achieved bronze medal in long jump. Moving to the men category, Mr. Vijay Verma of 2nd year civil achieved gold medal in 5K running race. Again, Mr. Vijay Verma of 2nd year civil achieved 1500 meter running race. Our students bags medals in powerlifting and weightlifting championship held at Aditya Engineering College, Swarupalem. Mr. A. Chandani of 2nd year ECE achieved gold medal in powerlifting. Grace Vija of 3rd year CSE achieved gold medal in powerlifting. K. Pujita of 3rd year ECE achieved silver medal in powerlifting. K. Anusha of 3rd year ECE achieved silver medal in powerlifting. SRGEC won 11 events with 49 points and 39 points in athletics. The collective achievements in games and sports in total of 88 points secured first position in SRGEC JETK inter-collegiate tournament. Moreover, our college volleyball women's team emerged victories of prestigious national level fest hosted by SRGEC, SRM, Vignam, along with district level competition in Andhra Pradesh. Their remarkable performance earned them cash prize totally approximately 1 lakh rupees. Additionally, the team showcased talent of state level meet in the Visakhapatnam. Once again, congratulations to all the athletes and teams for their outstanding achievement. Let us continue the strive and excellence and bring more laurels in SRGC future. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Best outgoing sportsman, Mr. Syed Bazi from Final Year Civil Engineering to give his reflections.
Good morning everyone. Recipient of the Best Outgoing Sportsman Award. First and foremost, I would like to extend my gratitude to the college management, Dr. B. Karunkumar sir, our respected principal, and Dr. B. Kodanrama sir, our esteemed vice principal, administration, Dr. M.R.C.L. Sasi sir, vice principal academics, for their unwavering support and encouragement throughout my journey. I must also express my sincere gratitude to the backbone of our physical education department, Mr. M. Shivashankar sir. His guidance and mentorship have been invaluable, shaping not only my athletic abilities but also my character. I am immensely thankful to the G. Venkatesh sir and D. Pujita madam for their constant support and encouragement and their guidance. Their belief in me has been a source of strength during both dreams and challenges. Reflecting on my time here at Sheshadirao Buddhavalleri Engineering College fills me with a profound gratitude for the opportunities I have been afforded and invaluable lessons I have learned. When I first arrived at this institution, I possessed only a basic understanding of my sport. Yet, through the exceptional facilities and rigorous practice sessions and top-of-the-line equipment provided by the college management, I have been able to surpass my own expectations and grow into the athletic standing before you today. My achievements in rope skipping and Kho-Kho demonstrate a remarkable level of dedication. I have represented national level twice in rope skipping and All India Inter-University in rope skipping. Once I have participated in J&K Inter-Collegiate Kho-Kho. Each practice session has been a stepping stone and pushing me beyond my limits and shaping me into an athlete I am proud to be. However, it is not just the resource at our disposal that have contributed to my growth. It is also the culture of excellence that permeates our college. As I continue on my journey, I remain committed to seizing every opportunity and making the most of resources available to me. With each step forward, I carry with me the lessons learned and an unwavering determination to excel. For me, sports have transcended my physical activity. They have become a source of motivation, passion and self-improvement. Every competition, every training session has imparted invaluable lessons on discipline, resilience and cooperation. To my fellow athletes and the entire physical education department, I extend my deepest gratitude. Your unwavering support and encouragement have been my greatest motivation, and I am forever grateful to your guidance and belief in me. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt wishes to all athletes for boundless success in their endeavors. May you continue to strive for the greatness with unwavering determination and passion, reaching new heights in your athletic pursuits. Thank you.
Mr. Syed Bazi for sharing your thoughts and reflections.
Now, we call upon our best outgoing sportswoman, C.S. Sushma of Final Year IT to give her reflections.
C.S. Sushma of 4th BTech. I stand before you today with immense gratitude and humility as a recipient of Best Outgoing Sportswoman. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the college management, Dr. B. Karunkumar sir, our esteemed principal, Dr. P. Kodanrama sir, Vice Principal Administration, and Dr. M.R.C.L. Sastry sir, Vice Principal Academics. Your unwavering support and encouragement have been a guiding light of our journey. I am also thankful to Mr. M. Shivashankar sir, the backbone of our physical education department, whose mentorship and guidance has sculpted us into the athletes we are today. I extend my gratitude to Mr. G. Venkatesh sir and Ms. D. Pujita madam for their constant support and encouragement. To be recognized among such talented athletes is truly an honor that I will cherish forever. Reflecting on my time here at Sheshadirao Buddhavalleri Engineering College, I am filled with profound sense of gratitude for the opportunities I have been given and the lessons I have learned. Sports have not only taught me the game, but also sculpted and shaped my character in profound ways. Arriving at college with just a basic understanding of the game, I have never imagined what I am here today. But thanks to our college outstanding facilities, practice sessions, and top-notch equipment. I have been able to transform my skills and stand before you as a confident player. Every practice session has been an opportunity to learn and grow, pushing myself to new limits with the support of exceptional resources. It's not just about the tools, though. It's about the culture of excellence fostered by our college, where every player is encouraged to strive for their best. I have also impressive background in volleyball, having represented the South Zone twice and participated in JNJK Inter-College tournament in volleyball, badminton and basketball. These experiences demonstrate not only in sports, but also my dedication and skill in each discipline. Sports have been more than just a physical activity for me. They have been a source of inspiration, passion and personal growth. Each competition, each practice session have taught me valuable lessons of discipline, perseverance and teamwork. I also want to extend my deepest appreciation to my fellow athletes. Your sportsmanship and friendly nature have made every moment a field of cherishable memory. Together, we've shared victories and setbacks, laughter and tears, creating bonds that will last for a lifetime. As I look towards the future, I carry with me the lessons and memories of the time spent here. While this award is a wonderful honor, I know that the greatest rewards lie in the journey ahead, in the challenges to overcome, the goals to pursue and the lives to impact. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for this incredible honor and the privilege of representing SRGEC in a realm of sports. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Ms. Sushma, for sharing your wonderful memories with us.
Now, I request our beloved principal, Dr. B. Kumar, to address the gathering.
Respected Ravindra Babu, advisor to the management and former principal of this college, and respected Surendra Babu Garu, who has been associated with the Promoter Society for the last 43 years and associate professor of BSNH, and all my colleague friends, perhaps only these two are elder to me, and respects to one and all. My most beloved student friends, a very good day. Namaskar. Right? Actually, it is not the time and place to speak much, but we need to just look into the activity and we need to discharge our responsibility. I am talking from the bottom of my heart, no exaggeration. Why I am telling you is, the following sentence may be a different and difficult sentence. You may be thinking that I am pampering. No. Really, SRGEC is proud of its students. మరొక్కసారి చెప్తున్నాను, అతిశయోక్తి కాదు. ఇవాళ బహుమతి ప్రదానం ఉత్సవంలో మైక్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఒక ప్రిన్సిపాల్ కాబట్టి చెప్పాలి కాబట్టి చెప్పడం లేదు. సమకాలీనంగా సమాజంలో ఉన్న పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఇతర సంస్థలో ఉన్నటువంటి పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, ఎలాంటి సంఘటనలు మనం చూస్తున్నామో చూసుకుంటే మన పిల్లలు బంగారాలు. మనం చేసే ప్రయత్నం, మీకు చెప్పే మాటలు, సందేశాత్మకంగా మీకు అందించేటటువంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ పాలిష్ పెట్టడానికి మాత్రమే అని గమనించండి. Because I have been associated with the Promoter Society or this group of institutions for the last 42 years. I have taken chalk to my hand when I was 20. I have been traveling in this area, diploma education, to this present position of principalship. At any point of time, forget about the designation with which you are now. Look at the responsibility bestowed on your shoulders. బాధ్యతకు మాత్రమే గౌరవం. Right? And I have been witnessing excellent team work among the people involved in sports and games, because I will have more enthusiasm to take part. Perhaps my schedules and the weight and other things of my body might have not permitting me to do so. And your participation in the games and sports and games and your this thing has not at all a disruption for you to excel in academics, to excel as a human, to demonstrate the skills like anchor, dancer and all these things. So I would like to put forth my idea to my friends in the presence of our advisor. We are in the opinion, and I have been consulting all my colleague friends, particularly Kodan Rama, the Vice Principal Administration, to design the mechanism for promoting the extracurricular activities in the coming 24-25 academic year. Why can't we start a particular dance club so that at the end of the class work, for an hour, weekly once or once in 10 days, a professional trainer in the dance may come, maybe either on the Kuchipudi or on the modern dance, and not like a drill. Not like drill. Drill చేసినట్టు కాకుండా choreographical గా ఉన్నవాళ్ళు మీలో కొంతమంది ఎక్స్పర్టైజ్ ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, right? Or else we want to get expertise in the guitar play. I don't think that only few people those have registered for the activity with as a part of the curriculum, that couple of periods in midst of the classwork may not be giving provision for you to excel in that art. Therefore, beyond the college hours, once in a while, along with the academics, why can't we have a kind of club activities? But one request is, those are to be student-led activities, not the teacher-led activities. There are many leaders in the midst of you, with much of the initiative. Therefore, I request the faculty in charge cultural club to give the wide propagation of the thought among the friends because final year students may be leaving the institution soon, third year, second year and first year, in which area they are having interest, they want to master. Therefore, by keeping you as the people in the forefront, what can be done? Because National Education Policy 2020 repeatedly telling, and all the policies laid in are not about your technical competency. సాంకేతిక పరమైనటువంటి విద్యావంతులుగా తయారు చేయడానికంటే ముందు ఈ విశ్వానికి మీరు పౌరులుగా అంటే గ్లోబల్ సిటిజన్స్ గా తయారు చేయడానికి అయినటువంటి వాల్యూ బేస్డ్ పీపుల్ పెంచండి. యూ ప్లీజ్ రిఫర్ టు ద NEP 2020. If you see that, we want people with ethics, right attitude, those can save the globe, the water, land, environment, so on and so forth for the future generation. అంటే రేపు అనేది నీదో నాదో కాదు, లేదా భారతదేశంలో చైనాలో కాదు, రేపు అనేది మనది. కాబట్టి ఉన్నటువంటి వనరులను జాగ్రత్తగా వాడుకోండి, క్వాలిటీ పెంచండి, రాబోయే తరాలకు మిగల్చండి అని నేను కూడా అనుకుంటాను. తండ్రిగా ఇదొక డిపాజిట్ వేసి లేకపోతే వెనకాల జనరేషన్ కట్టబెట్టాలని. సో సంబడి ఈస్ నాట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యూ. ప్రిజర్వ్ ది వర్త్ ఆఫ్ ది కంట్రీ ఫర్ whatever the resources we have, improve the quality, optimally use them, and how to make it that the social responsibility is to innovate products, to think in a different plane, so that how the quality of the life can be further improved. And at the same time, the magnanimity should be such that నేను ఒక్కటే ఒక మాట అంటే ఫిలసాఫీలో చెప్తున్నాను అనుకోకపోతే ఒక మాట, నీ శత్రువు పెదవి మీద కూడా చిరునవ్వు వాడు ఆనందంగా ఉంటే చూసి తట్టుకోలేని పరిస్థితిలో ఉన్నాం కదా, ఆనందించేటటువంటి మహోన్నత స్థితికి ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు చేరదామని. వీఆర్ ఆల్ వన్, వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ ద కామన్ కాజ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ది డైరెక్షన్ we take, whatever the instruction we plan, whatever the mechanism or the strategy that is going to be in as a part of the administration, it is for the better institution, for the better life of you tomorrow. అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత రాబోయేటటువంటి 40 సంవత్సరాలు 50 సంవత్సరాలు ఉద్యోగంలో ఉన్న జీవితంలో ఉన్న సమర్థులుగా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మారిపోయేటటువంటి వాతావరణంలో ఏ రోజు ఏమి ఎదురవుతుందో సమస్య తెలియదు. క్షణంగా మన కోవిడ్ వచ్చింది. అలాంటివి ఎటువంటి వచ్చినా దృఢ చిత్తంతో ముందుకు వెళ్ళేటటువంటి శక్తివంతులుగా మిమ్మల్ని తీర్చిదిద్దడం అనేది ఒకటే మా ఎజెండా. మాకు ఈ సంస్థ ఫౌండర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి చెప్పింది. అంటే సురేంద్రబాబు గారు కానీ, నేను కానీ, రవీంద్రబాబు గారు కానీ, తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కోదండ రామారావు గారు సుదీర్ఘకాలం శేషాద్రిరావు కళ్ళతో చూసి మొట్టమొదటి నుంచి ఊరికే ప్యాంపర్ చేయడం కాదు, దట్ ఇస్ గ్రేట్ అని కాదు, వాల్యూ ఏంటి, ఎటువంటిది మాత్రం మిగులుతుంది, ఎటువంటిది మిగులుతుంది అది చెప్పేటటువంటి ప్రయత్నం. ఇందులో ఇలాంటి దాంట్లో మీ అమూల్యమైనటువంటి అభిప్రాయాల్ని ఖచ్చితంగా సేకరించడం, దానికి తగినట్టుగా ఉన్నటువంటి విధానాలను రూపొందించడం జరుగుతుంది. సాయంత్రం యాన్యువల్ రిపోర్ట్లు ఇవన్నీ చెప్పడానికి రోజు వెరీ బ్రీఫ్ కాబట్టి నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నాను. మీకు గేట్ చదువుకుందామా, లేదా జిఆర్ ఎంఎస్ చేద్దామా, లేదా ఫలానా టెక్నాలజీ బ్లాక్ చైన్ తెలుసుకుందామా, అందరికీ ఎవరి ఆసక్తిని బట్టి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చాయిస్ బేస్డ్ గ్రేడ్ సిస్టమ్ వచ్చింది. కోర్సుల వరకే కాకుండా మిగిలినటువంటి దాంట్లో ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్, లెట్ us develop a system, what mechanism be followed with SRGEC in the coming days, so that everyone will have choice based activity system also. You can involve and more deliberations may be possible with you. Enjoy the day, enjoy this one. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్తారు, ఒక చెట్టు పండు యొక్క క్వాలిటీని బట్టి గుర్తించబడుతుంది. ఇంత మధురంగా ఉంది ఈ పండు, ఈ పండు కాసిన చెట్టు ఏమిటబ్బా అని ఆలోచించాలి. నా ఉద్దేశం చెట్టు పేరు చెప్పుకొని బతకడం కాదు. I am from IIT, I am from NIT, I am from son of so and so, I am the granddaughter of so and so. Forget about it. That means you are dependent on the source where from you have come. But if somebody has seen, yes, Dr. Rajshekar, who are you? Like a product, somebody, Birla Teliyaga arbitrarily chepparu. And by looking at who is your father, somebody will, I am the father of Dr. Rajshekar. ఎంతోడు ఎలా చూస్తాడో చూడండి. వీరు ఫలానాడు అబ్బాయి, మీ నాన్నగారు ఈయనే. సపోజ్ ఐ డూ సే when I entered a school, Gautam Concept School, KKR, K. Kotisravu garu is there. గేట్ దగ్గర కనపడ్డాను. ఏం చెప్పాలో తెలియలేదు, లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలి. సార్ మా అబ్బాయి లోపల ఉన్నాడు, నేను అజిత్ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్. ఎవరు నుంచోబెట్టి, ఎస్ ఆర్ యు ది ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ అజిత్? కమ్ ఆన్. I was recognized because of my son, not by myself. I am not talking about my this thing. You please understand. That is the moment I felt that పుత్రోత్సాహము తండ్రికి, పుత్రుడు జన్మించినప్పుడు పుట్టదు, జనులా పుత్రుని కనుగొని పొగడగా పుత్రోత్సాహము నాడు పొందురు సుమతి. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని బట్టి నేను ప్లేస్మెంట్ దాంట్లో కూడా ఉన్నాను. 2005లో మన ప్లేస్మెంట్ సెల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినటువంటి వ్యక్తి నేనే. అక్కడి నుంచి ఇంచుమించుగా 2017 వరకు యాక్టివ్గా అందులో ఉన్నాను. 2020 వరకు ఓకే. 2012 వరకు ఐ వాస్ యాక్టివ్ ఎనఫ్. నేనే కంపెనీస్తో మాట్లాడేవాడిని, నేనే ట్రైనింగ్స్ డిసైడ్ చేసేవాడిని, నేనే వెళ్ళేవాడిని. ఒక బ్యాచ్ పిల్లల్ని తీసుకున్న ఫస్ట్లో నేను ఏమని అడిగానంటే, ఎవరు మీరు గుడ్లవల్లి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ వచ్చి క్యాంపస్ రిక్రూట్మెంట్ చేయండి అని అడగల. మీరు ఎక్కడ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారో చెప్పండి, మా పిల్లల్ని అక్కడ తీసుకొస్తాం. కష్టమైన నష్టమైన తెల్లవారుజామున 3 అయినా 2 అయినా ఆడపిల్లలతో అక్కడ పెట్టుకుని తీసుకెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ని అక్కడ చెప్పి వచ్చేవాడిని. ఈ పిల్లలు ఎక్కడైతే చేరారో మీ యాటిట్యూడ్ బట్టి, సార్ మీ వాళ్ళ కొద్దిగా కమ్యూనికేషన్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది కానీ సార్ చెప్పిన పని మీకు బాగా చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఎంతబడి మీ వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు సార్ అని మీ సీనియర్స్ మళ్ళీ ఆ కంపెనీలు కాలేజీకి వచ్చేలాగా చేసింది మీ సీనియర్సే. మిమ్మల్ని చూడగానే అరే బొట్టవల్లి నుంచి సర్లే అరే బాబు బొట్టవల్లి అడవా అక్కడ ఎట్టాడు ఉంటాడు అని అనిపించుకోవడం కంటే నేను ఎక్స్ని చూసా వైని తీసుకున్నా జడ్ని చూసుకున్నా ఎస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ లైక్ దిస్ దేర్ మే బి సంబడి ఎల్స్ కెన్ బొట్టవల్లి లెట్ us go there ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ నేను సూపర్ఫిషియల్గా మాట్లాడటంలా ఖచ్చితంగా హృదయంలో చెప్తున్నాను మీరు ప్రవర్తించే తీరు మీరు సాధించేది మీరు ఆలోచించే విధానం చూసి ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ గౌరవం పెరగాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను ఆల్రెడీ బై దిస్ టైమ్ నో డౌట్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఓవర్ టు ఎనీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఆర్ యూ గో సమ్వేర్ ఎల్స్ ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ SRGC Gudlavaleru as a minimum guarantee respect you can draw there from your originality there. What I am requesting as the principal of the institution is you please improve, increase, enhance, accelerate the credibility of the organization. Institution is to be respected by looking at your attitude first, then your expertise next. Enjoy the day, right? If you have any doubt, if you have any thought, my doors are open. You may directly meet the principal. This one, we will make a note of it. I will discuss with our advisor, other colleagues. We all, like a team, we will discuss every of your thought. Accordingly, the mechanisms will be designed. But after designing, నిన్నే ఒక క్లాస్లో చెప్పాను సెల్ కావాలా సెల్ తేకూడదని మేమే చెప్తున్నాం అనౌన్స్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం సెల్స్ మీరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అలాంటి సెల్ తీసుకురాకుండా నిరోధించగలవా నువ్వు మానేయగలవా therefore what can be done why what alternate mechanism can be done with a view to increase the credibility of the organization you please but it's my responsibility to do so enjoy the day thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable information and address.
Moving on to the next session, I would like to invite Shenmukh Srinivas from AITS to take over the proceedings.
Thank you, Mr. Kashi Vishwanath and Ms. Chandri. I am Shenmukh Srinivas from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now, let us move on to the most awaiting moment of the year. The prize distribution for games, sports and cultural events conducted on the occasion of 26th annual day celebrations at Seshandra Gudlavaleru Engineering College. First of all, let us look into the prize distribution of cultural competition for teaching and non-teaching staff. Firstly, coming to the category of singing competition. Second prize goes to Dr. G. Prabhakar Rao from Mechanical Department. I request Dr. G. Prabhakar Rao sir to come on to that. I request our principal Moving on to the next category, Antakshari competition. The runners of Antakshari are Madam. And the first prize for Antakshari goes to the team of Mr. C.H. Nagarjuna from English Department, Mr. V. Suryaprakash from English Department, Next category is cultural competition. Thank you, sir. Now, and the winner of singing competition of class, Mr. P. Pamalu from office. Floor crossing is Ms. D. Uma Katyayani from CSE Department. And the winner of floor crossing is Mr. D. Narasimhamurthy from Mechanical Department. Give them a big round of applause, guys. And moving on to the next category, SR riding. And the runner of SR riding is the winner of SR riding is Ms. Rubina Sultana from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Thank you, sir. CSE Department and Ms. B. Gayatri Sadvika from CSE Department. Give them a big round of applause, guys. And the winners of Pictionary are Ms. V. Manasa from AITS, Ms. B. Vardhani from AITS, and Ms. D. Umakandeni from CSE Department. Runner of singing competition is Ms. D. Akamsha Sai from AIFL. I request Ms. D. Akamsha CSE Department. Give them a big round of applause, guys. Runner of Mono Action is Ms. B. Gayatri Sadvika from CSE Department. Thank you, sir. And the winners of Damsharans are Ms. S. Noharika Nagasri from AITS, Mr. T. Lokesh Praveen from AITS, Ms. K. Vasili from AITS. Thank you, sir. And moving on to the next category. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for these celebrations. 26th January. So they got a very good appreciation from our VC. So it is a great honor to our NSS unit. So now I request our volunteers please receive the participation and the appreciation certificates from the hands of our dignitaries. Please, madam. So please come on to the dais and take the appreciation certificate. Yam Navya. Yam Navya. Make it fast. Yam Mahesh. Please give the certificates to our NSS band volunteers. Please, sir. Get the NSS యూనివర్సిటీలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టిన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ మొత్తంలో ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్ యూనిట్లు 2000 ఉన్నాయి, 35 యూనివర్సిటీలు ఉన్నాయి. కేవలం ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్ బ్యాండ్ ఉంది ఒక ఇవన్నీ కూడా వీసీ గారు వాళ్ళకి సర్టిఫికేట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. అవి మన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం. అభిషేక్ వర్ధన్ వచ్చారా, గోవర్ధన్ రెడ్డి, నిషా, కే లక్ష్మి, బి జయరామ్ కార్తికేయ, పి నిఖిల్, కే పవన్, ఎన్ రామ్ సాయి, బి గ్రేస్ విజయ్, ఎం జయకృష్ణ, ఎస్ దీక్షిత్ కార్తికేయ, ఎం రూపశ్రీ, ఏ హేమ, టి నిఖిత, జే సాత్విక్, పి వర్ధన్, our madam, D Pujita, our PD madam. Please come on to the dais. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Dr. V. Naveen Kumar, who happened to be the NSS program officer since 2007. And he is able to make you to play, make us also to play. Right? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, Dr. Naveen Kumar. UK University team and participated in the South Zone and All India Inter-Collegiate Tournament, rewarded with the cash incentives of 2,000 rupees from our college management. Now let me call upon the image. We call them the university teams. PGCR to come on the dais to give away the prizes. Basketball men's team, they participated for the South Zone Inter-University Basketball Tournament organized by the University of Kerala in Kerala during 13th to 18th November 2023. Next, A. Famous Ankitana from 3rd year I request to come on the dais. Miss V. Grace Vijaya from 3rd year CSC, 2023. Miss T. Nikita from 3rd year IT, selected for the JNUK. Miss C.H. Sushma of 4th year IT, Miss K. Mr. L. Naveen Kumar of 2nd year MBA, Mr. N. Yesbabu of 4th year CA, and Mr. S. T. Venkateswara of 3rd year CA, selected for the JNUK Program Ministry and also in the University Program Tournament hosted by University of Calicut during 26-30 January 2024. Mr. R. Devi Prasanna Krishna of 4th year IOT, selected for JNUK Table Tennis Men's Team for South Zone Inter-University Table Tennis Tournament hosted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Law University at Madras during 1st to 3rd February 2023. Ms. Sheikh Nazreen Chandni of 2nd year ECE University Ball Badminton Tournament held at Anna University, Chennai during 21st to 24th March 2024. Mr. D. Subramaniam of 2nd year ECE selected for the JNUK Ball Badminton Men's Team for All India Inter-University Ball Badminton Tournament to be held at Bangalore, North University, Bangalore. R. Lakshmana Nayak of 3rd year for the JNUK Softball Men's Team for All India Inter-University Softball Tournament to be held at Lovely Professional University, Punjab. Ms. K. Uma Maheshwari of 4th year CSC selected for the JNUK Netball Women's Team for All India Inter-University Netball Tournament to be held at Annamalai University, Chennai. Championship Men and Women 2023-2024 tournament hosted by now moving on to the Central Zone Intercollegiate Tournaments Men and Women Kabaddi Women winners
Satish Reddy from final year Table tennis women winners JNUK Intercollegiate Table Tennis Tournament hosted by Harshita Devi from 3rd year CS Department to receive the cash incentive. Ball Badminton winners JNUK Intercollegiate PET, the captain of the team, to receive the cash incentive. JNUK Intercollegiate Softball Men Tournament hosted by LVRC Mailuvaram during 29 January 2023. Netball Men JNUK Intercollegiate Coco Tournament hosted by Nashabed Engineering College, Nashabed during 3rd to 4th December 2023. IOT to issue the cash incentive. Ball Badminton Men 3rd place JNUK Intercollegiate to 2nd February 2024. I request P. Bhan Prakash from 3rd year Triple Department. Thank you, sir. K. Uma Maheshwari, long jump bronze medal. K. Pusta, shot put gold medal. K. Anita, discus javelin gold medal. K. Vijay Verma, 1500 meters, 5 km, silver and gold medals. 4 into 400 meters relay, K. Uma Maheshwari, B. Grace Vijaya, T. Nikita, K. 4 into 400 meters relay, K. Uma Maheshwari, B. Grace Vijaya, T. Nikita, K. Anita. Powerlifting and Best Physique Championship Men and Women. The students of
Powerlifting gold. Now for the further proceedings of the event, I request Mr. Muhammad Iyas of
participated in the various games and sports. Firstly, the first category is and next forward we goes to the runners team, Dr. G.T. Virendra, Civil Department, and Mr. A.V. Panyamono, sir, Civil Department. I would like to invite Dr. P. Ravindra Babu, sir, to give away the prizes. Next category goes to badminton women doubles, and the runners are Dr. Y. And the winners are Karen's women. And the runners are Miss J. Kirtana ma'am from ECE department and Miss. And then for the next event we go to chess women. And the runners are Miss T. Narmada ma'am. Sir M. Poduraju sir from BSN department. The winner is Dr. K. Karunamma sir, principal. Thank you so much sir. Police department, Mr. Ravaka sir, MA department, Mr. Ravi Kumar sir, Mr. S. Ravi sir, Mr. G. Venkatesh sir, Mr. Balaprasad sir, Mr. Subramanyam sir, Mr. Nagarjuna sir, Mr. N. Kondarao sir, Mr. Shivashankar sir. Kumar C.S. Shastri sir, Vice Principal Economics, Dr. G.T. M. Virendra sir, Principal. Mr. B. Ramanand sir from MBA department, Mr. Anand, Civil department, Mr. Venkatesh sir, Dr. Kamal sir from MBA department, Dr. P.V.M. Raju sir. The next category is volleyball men. And the runners team is Mr. C.S. Venkatesh sir from IT, Mr. N. Kondarao sir from Medical department, and Dr. G.T.N. Veera sir from Civil department, Mr. P.S.S. Anjane Babu sir from Civil department, Mr. S. Ravi sir from EC department, Mr. P. Siva sir from IT department, Mr. N. Kondarao. And the winners is Mr. A.V. Panyamono sir from Civil department, Mr. M. Mr. M. Balaprasad sir from Medical department, Mr. K. Ashok Reddy sir from AADS department, Mr. G. Venkatesh sir from BT department, and The next category is and the basketball winners are from IT department, CS Sushma, SK Parveen, and KN Pranita, TL Shravani, GVV Durga. The winners are from IT department, CS Sushma, G Haripriya, T Nikita, K Akhila, B Srinija, and J Rohita, K Kanchana, P Satyasrikala, K Pujita, D Sevanti, and CS Nikita.